you are going to love the 2018 LC. The Lexus LC is a luxury coupe like no other. Design, performance, and handling all make this vehicle stand out in a crowd. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights, mini spare tire. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.